I ordered a aftermarket trunk mat from Lloyd's. Let's check it out. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda out here with my vintage Jaguar. And in the trunk here, you can see that it just comes with this vinyl covering, and it doesn't look that great. It's old, older than anyone you would probably date. Anyway, I thought maybe I could dress it up and make it sound a little better and look a little more modern with this aftermarket trunk mat from Lloyd's. Let's take a close look at it. This trunk mat from Lloyd's, you can see here, it's pretty nice, pretty plush, although I kind of went middle of the road. You can definitely get kind of that plush floor mat that you would use inside, but because it's a trunk, I felt like I would split the difference and kind of go middle of the road, something plush, but not as tall a pile as would go inside. I also got it in gray because so many trunks are black and it's actually hard to see because it doesn't reflect the light. So I thought gray might lighten things up. As you can see here, the trunk mat for the Jaguar is pretty much an exact rectangle. On the bottom here, we have a little bit of a grippy rubber surface. It kind of feels a little bit like those non-slip mats that you put underneath placemats. So a little rubberized texture, kind of squishy, but seems pretty grippy. So let's go ahead and put it in the trunk here. I'll show you what we got here. There's kind of this vinyl thing that goes over the spare tire. And then if I just flip this over, put that in here, just slow this down. And I'll tell you what, even though this is gray, I guess the color of the trunk lining itself is more of a charcoal. It's not really a dark black or anything. So let's see how this fits. And man, it's a nice fit. And what I like about that is it will do a little sound deadening, but when you throw stuff in here, it'll insulate that too. So as it's moving around, it won't clang on the trunk floor there. So as you can see, that's nice. And the gray kind of brightens it up just a little bit, makes it a little easier to see what's in there. So I definitely like that. Cool. All right. On to the next project.